Hey you guys, Novix here, and we're back with another giveaway. So today what we're going to be giving away is a Roblox account. It's actually pretty nice. This is the inventory. It's not the whole inventory obviously, but it's a 2009 account. I'm not going to be disclosing the username though, only because of the fact that I don't want it getting banned by Roblox, if that's sort of thing. I don't know. But yeah, so we're going to just check out some of the pages, not all of them because there's like a crap ton. But yeah, he has a lot of off sale stuff. You can tell. A bunch of off sale stuff. Just a crap bunch of stuff. I'm pretty sure he has probably like 30 pages of just this. The arrows also open. The shimmers also. He has a lot of electricity presents too. Yeah, but he does have quite a lot of stuff. Like 2013 top hats. Oh, then we might get close actually, because this is all like 2010 stuff. We're almost done. Oh, he has the evil duck. A lot of people like that. And then yeah, and then all this 2010, and then he has a 2009 Blizzard too, as well. I'd assume that he has a lot of hair. Oh, he has that hair too. He also has a frozen hair. Yeah, he does. He has quite a bit of hair. A lot of male and female hair. Face. So yeah, there's definitely like a lot of off-sale faces as well. Rainbow shaggy beard. Blue glasses. Stupid punch. Oh, the blue bandit thing. Actually might be worth a lot when it goes limited, because the red one is like 300. Peppermint boa. I don't think there is a lot of, yeah, there's not a lot of this, because Roblox hasn't really made any. And then you have all the dogs, a few from Halloween, the Halloween event thing. You have this, I don't know what that was from, I'm pretty sure these were all from that. That he has in front of me, and then these little ghosts from like 2000, I want to say 15 or 16 probably, for Halloween, and then these were from like 2016 or 15 as well. Let's go to front. Yeah, just like a few, not really anything there. In the back, yes, just this and this. These two are pretty much the only good ones, I'd assume. No. Don't want to click on you. Then he has this keep track and tail. That usually versus, to be honest. I don't know when. Yeah, and then there's these 3 off sale faces, which is pretty cool. They probably won't ever go limited, but it's cool to have off sale faces. And they were probably sold at midnight like usual, so. These you can still get it if you get the package, I'm pretty sure. This one's off sale. This was like 2009 or 10 things, something like that. Then you just have a lot of game passes, so like for different types of games. So whatever games you want, you'll get. No plugins. Okay, we're definitely not going through shirts right now. For t-shirts. Because this was like a lot. Okay, now on to the next thing, which is groups. Okay, so this is this group with 1,165 members. This group does have 844 group friends within the group. The sales haven't really been going up. They do make a few sales probably around the day, but they usually make a lot of sales on holidays, such as, you know, this one 2000. This year she made 110,000 Robux from the group itself, which is nice. Pretty sure it's in like during Christmas time, like everything on sale. So yeah, then you have, you know, accounts, whatever. And as you can see, this group does make a lot of money. Whatever. Who's up, you guys? Actually, it didn't really load in yet, but you know, who cares? So, if you do play Phantom Forces, then you would like his account as well. He has a gold star L and a lots of legendaries. I actually been playing this game a lot and got all the legendaries on this account. So if you play Phantom Forces and you do win this account, it'd be really cool because you just get a lot. Got like 3 of these: gold, white, and blue. And you just have actually, and just sell the duplicates. Then you just got all the, it's a lot of skins to be honest. You can just sell the plain ones because nobody really cares about those. But yeah. So anyway, so that is it with the after I guess for the account. Now to enter, you must be a subscriber. You must be a subscriber. You must like and you must comment down below why you want the account, or you know, whatever, so and so. Now if you do like and comment but you don't subscribe, your name will just be skipped over. Now the way I'll be doing this is, for each one that follows the rules, I'll put them into a random name generator, literally. So we'll be using this, it's actually called Random Name Picker, and basically for everyone who does follow the instructions correctly will get their name put in here, like 1, and then name 2, name 3, name, so forth. And on February 10th, which I'm also announcing the other giveaway for the Fantage account, so if you play Fantage you should go over to that video. Then yeah, you can have a chance to win. If you want to be contacted faster, I'm usually on Instagram pretty often. If you want to follow my Instagram, it's at Joshua Galen. It's that, so if you want to follow me, you can do that. I'm almost at 10k followers on there as well, so that would help a bunch. I also usually follow back any of my subscribers on YouTube as well, so make sure to hit that follow button. If you want to follow me, this is my account as well, Joshua Galen, almost at 10k. But yeah, anyway, so thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure to stay tuned, make sure to follow the instructions, and make sure to also turn my notifications on this channel so you can be notified when I do other giveaways, because I usually do giveaways weekly now. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.